Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is a series that I'm calling DIY Paired, and what I'm doing is putting together projects that I've made so that you can see how they fit together in case you want to match looks. For this one, I'm calling it Lacy Bridal. I put two projects together. The first one is a pair of Lacy bridal shoes, and the second is a pair of Lacy bridal flip-flops. I've also linked each full video in case you want audio on how to make the item. I hope you love this series, and I'll be pairing more projects that I've made so that you can see how they match up to give you a complete look. For the second half of the video, I'm calling it Sparkly Bridal, and I have paired shoes, wristlets, and even a pair of flip-flops just to give you an idea of a more sparkly look if you're DIYing your bridal look. So I hope you enjoy that as well. I'm gonna get started with the video, but as always, I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next time. For this project, I used white open-toe shoes. I used fabric tack to attach the white lace trim to the shoe. White lace trim is different from white lace fabric. How much you'll need depends on your shoe size, so I suggest that you take your shoe into the store with you so that you can figure out how much you need. To attach the beading, I used E6000 glue. And then for the beads, I used all different sizes of white halfback beads from 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3 mm beads. Finally, I used some Swarovski crystals. I love Swarovski crystals. I think they're so pretty. I love the shine. If you want a less expensive option, you can always use rhinestones. So let's get started. This is the before. This is the final result. I love, love, love how this shoe turned out. So far, this has been my favorite shoe to work on. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be making this white lace bridal floral flip-flop, and this is perfect for someone who wants to be flowy and lacy. If you're getting married on the beach, this is really, really perfect so that your actual shoes don't get messed up. Super easy to make. So I'm going to show you what I used. Let's get started. For this project, we will need white lace trim. I used white lace trim with flower embellishments, white flip-flops, E6000 glue, and some fabric glue. You will also need a pair of scissors to trim off some of the mesh backing off of the white lace trim. So this trim I picked up from Joann Fabrics. I used a coupon, so it was very inexpensive, and I liked it because it has the flower embellishments. Originally, I was gonna make some ribbon or some kind of fabric flowers to attach to the flip-flop, but this already had it, so this was perfect. This is the final result. I love how they turned out. And this is something where you could make the white ones for the bride, and then you could do coordinating colors for the bridesmaids in the colors of their dresses.